Welcome to LivGen. In this video, we'll show you how to create talking photo avatars that bring your images to life with voices and expressions. To get started, visit our website and navigate to the Talking Photo feature from the main menu, or simply click on Talking Photo in the Labs section. Upload a clear image of the character you want to animate. Make sure the face is clearly visible for the best results. After the photo is uploaded, you can choose between text-driven or audio-driven options. For audio-driven, upload a pre-recorded voice or record one instantly. For text-driven, input your desired script, select your preferred voice, and preview it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Once upon a time in a small village.
Once upon a time in a small village. At LivGen, we're transforming traditional video making with innovative solutions.
Once everything is set, click Composite Video. You can adjust the video title, resolution, or watermark toggle. Then click Export to finalize your video. Wait a moment, and your talking photo will be ready. Preview your animated photo, and if you're satisfied, download it or edit it again as needed.
At LivGen, we're transforming traditional video making with innovative solutions.
And that's it. Create engaging, lifelike avatars from your photos with LivGen's Talking Photo feature. Start today.